Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Today we are discussing NTA UGC Net 2023 Paper 1. In this class, we deal with abbreviation and terminology from information and communication technology. You can definitely get a question from this topic related with the abbreviation and also the terminology. So, in this class, we include most expected MCQ related with this topic. So, let's start the first question. Before we move into the first question, students, for your UGC NET 2023 paper 2 preparation, Global Online offering you notes and most expected MCQs for this subjects and seen in the screen. So here you can get these notes and most expected MCQs both for your preparation of exam and also related interviews. You can use this and also you can use this in other exams also. And Global Online offering you 100% assured selection under this program. And this is a great opportunity, and also you can get these notes and MCQs for the subjects and can contact with the given WhatsApp number. And this is only for 1280, and this notes and MCQs really helpful for your preparation. And in Global Online app you can get paper 1 and paper 2 complete courses. You can download our app in the link provided in the description. And also we providing the evaluation test for your clarification about the concept, and can get this evaluation test for all units in UGC net. So this is the interface of the evaluation test. You can see here the information communication technology, and also there are other related topics related with the UGC net you can see. Okay, so let's start the session. The term associated with the processing of comparison speed is. In this question, you can see here the term that associated or that is related with the processing speed of comparison, or the comparison speed. So the between the speed comparison, a particular term is associated with, and that is none other than MIPS, that is also known as million instruction per second. So here the million instruction per second is the term that associated with the comparison of processing speed of a computer, and it measures the raw speed of a computer processor. So for without any operation also, without any calculation also, the computer speed that is compiled under the MIPS, or the million instruction per second. Okay, then the next question, before the next question you can see the other related concept. First one is FFTS, double FTS, and that means or that indicates fast Fourier transform. Fast Fourier transform, and it is an important measurement method in the science of audio and aesthetic measurement. So here the science and audio and aesthetic measurement. So here you can see the usage of or the measurement unit, that is a fast Fourier transform. So it's not important that much, but the FFT or the uh, that is a fast Fourier transform is the full form of FFT. Okay, then you can see MPG, that is MPG for millions per gallon. So here millions per gallon, that stands for the measurement of fuel economy, the average number of miles a vehicle can drive on 1 gallon of fuel. So with best million per gallon, that vehicle very much efficient, and also with low efficiency, so sorry, low usage of fuel, it can drive for more kilometers. So millions per gallon, that measure the fuel economy. And then according to this, the per million per gallon shows that the efficiency of the vehicle is low. Okay, then next one, CPS, cyber physical system. That's an intelligent system in a computer, and the mechanism is controlled or monitored by the computer based algorithm. So that is simply the cyber physical system related with the cyber world. Okay, and then next question, what should be done to successfully convert the format of an image from BMP to JPEG? So here you can get two important full forms. One is BMP and the other is JPEG. And also to convert the BMP into JPEG, you can simply use the save as command. You can see some picture you draw in a Word file, and you can easily convert to JPG by using the save as menu. Simply you make the save as, and again you can see the JPEG option. So here the successfully conversion of BMP image into JPEG, you can use the save as command. And the next you can see the BMP, that is bitmap image file. Bitmap image file, that is the extension of BMP. And then JPEG. JPEG is the important one, and also you can get question from this part. JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group, that is the full form. BMP, bitmap image file, and then JPEG is the Joint Photographic Expert Group. And then which part of the central processing unit, that is CPU, performs calculation and makes decision? So CPU is the heart of the computer, or you can see the important one in the computer, and that performs a calculation and makes decision with the help of or with the support of arithmetic logical unit, that is ALU. And you can see what is the full form of ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. And here the calculation makes decision under the ALU, and then the CPU is under ALU and CU, that is control unit. And the input that entered into the CPU, it will process and it will make the output into the other part. Here use the main memory to store the information according to the input. Okay, so that is the CPU processing. First one is arithmetic logic unit and the other is control unit. Next, DPI stands for. The DPI stands for dots per inch. Dots per inch is a full form of DPI, and it is the pixel or the quality of the printer. Clear? That is measured under the DPI. And then group instructions that directs a computer is called. We know that computer is not a single device. It is a combination of many related inputs. So the related organs, you can say like organs in our body. And here the computer works under a group instruction or a set of groups, a set of programs. So that's also that's called the program. Okay, program. So group instruction that directs a computer is called the program. We can know the storage, memory, logic are other parts of the computer. So group instruction is program. And then the heart of any computer is the, of course, the heart of any computer is the CPU that will process the information and also give the output. Clear? And then, which of the following are examples of input devices? Input devices example. So here you can see various options and all are related with the computer, and here the particular input devices means the devices that supports the computer or that is within the computer. So the keyboard, mouse, optical mark reader, that is the input devices, and the arithmetic logic unit, control unit are the parts of CPU, and again the visual display unit dot matrix printer are output device because it gives the result. Then RAM, ROM, PROM is the memory. Okay, so you can see in some question odd man out, like there are given many option and says that odd man out. So in like visual display unit, keyboard, dot matrix printer, laser printer, so you can easily find out that keyboard is the odd man because that is a input device, and you can see the vice versa also. Okay, and next question, what is blog? So in this social media networking, you can see one of the important connectivity tool is blog. And in some then Facebook, you can see there are various blogs are created by the people, and that's used for the personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. So that is the right one, online journal. Okay, so here that is recorded the personal or corporate website, and that's in the form of a online journal. And also you can see the other categories also in that it here the blog is the question, and in other option you can see what is a journal, online journal, and what are the types of online journal. Clear. And you can see the blog is the personal or corporate website. And then rearranging data in a new sequence is known as. Here the process that makes the data in a rearranging or in a better arranging format. Here the re means again, arranging again, and here the data is already arranged in a manner, but due to some technical problem, the data that is arranged it again arranging. Okay, that is and that passed into another arranging process, and that new sequence is known as batching. Clear. So batching, you can see in our classes you can see the various batches. Clear. So new sequence is known as the batching process. You can see the batching process in detail is a computer process, and that sorry, that adds a number of tasks and it collected in a group. So it can also be called workload automation and job scheduling. That's not much important. You can must know the new sequence. Rearranging data in a new sequence is the batching. Then DTP. So here the DTP, you can see the DTP here. What is the DTP? Desktop publishing. So the DTP here have some silent. The T is silent there, and we want to find what is the T there. So desktop publishing is the process and in which the personal computers that design booklets or books, and in that you can the concept or the intention of this desktop publishing is to print by inkjet or laser printers. So that is a personalized designing tool. So the DTP acronym is desktop publishing. Okay, so that's not desktop publishing is the one that related with the designing of the personal books and also the booklets. Okay, then, before we move into the next question, let's look at what Global Online offering you for your Paper 1 preparation. In UGC NET 2023 Paper 1 preparation, we provide an important crash course that deals with live lectures, video lectures on all units, and also we can use 60 plus mock tests and last 10 years PYQs and complete notes regarding to that, and also we provide 4000 plus MCQs from question bank. So these are all are you can get for only 3200 after a reduction of 20 percentage off. Okay, so that's a great opportunity, and you can definitely, it will really help your preparation in a easy manner. So the live lectures, you can see the live lectures and also the recorded session. You can get all information related to the topic. So you can contact with the given WhatsApp number and also use this opportunity in a effective way. You will definitely get selected in the UGC exam. Okay. And then data integrity refers to. So all the options are lookalike important in the stage of data integrity. But the particular one, that is the validity, is related to the data integration. So the data integrity refers to the validity of data or the authenticity of data. It's not related to the simplicity, privacy, or security. It deals with the union or validity or authenticity of the data. Okay, then acronym. What does the acronym ISDN stands for? So here you can see what is the ISDN, and you can get also the information related to that. So it is the Integrated Services Digital Network. Integrated Services Digital Network, and that is in a full integrated service digital network, all digital high speed networks that provided by telephone carriers and that allowed voice and data to be carried over existing telephone circuit. You can see the internet we can use in this era. Also you can see that the telephone users, the telephone also carries the high speed network, and that will make the allowance or the communication or the transmission of voice and data and to be in a existing telephone circuits. The example, the BSNL, that is a telephone carrier, and you can see high speed internet, and also the, that is a BSNL full form, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, and the telephone carriers that will allow this voice and data in a high speed digital network. Okay, so that's the full form of ISDN, means Integrated Service Digital Network. Then OCR stands for, OCR, that stands for optical character recognition. This also important one question related in this exam. So OCR, optical character recognition, and that is used in check, the bank check. You can see the OCR. Any character recognition tool, you can see optical character recognition, and also the MICR is the another important term related to this character recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition. Okay, you can see check, there are a magnetic type there, and when we use this check, you can see the magnetic ink character recognition will recognize your account number and also other details regarding to the check. So it will really helpful to reduce the task of the bank officers to easily make the character recognition in a easy way. So one is optical character recognition OCR, and other MICR is the magnetic ink character recognition. Okay. Then a dash is not a form of biometrics. So the one that's not related to the biometrics is the one that is password. Okay. Password. Why the password is not a form of biometrics? Because it's not related to the finger, like the fingerprint, retina scan, breath scan. Okay, it is a various biometrics, and see, you can see the face as scan in your phones. You can see the lock screen, you use the face also and fingerprint, etc. And when you use the password or any other pattern, it will does not comes under biometrics. because that the password or the pattern you can change, but the fingerprint, retina scan, breath scan is the unique one for you. So under biometrics, that related only for you, that is a unique identification. And you can see the retina scan in Aadhaar card also. We can see the face scan, retina scan, fingerprint, etc. So there these and that's why that is called biometric recognition or biometric identification. Okay, then last question is a homework question for you. Junk email is also called. Okay, so there's spam, spoof, small, none of this. You can see various options related with the junk email or the in which the what is related to junk email, and you can see the meaning of junk, that is the way over, or it does not needed to all, needed it very much. For example, junk foods. Okay, so here the junk email is also called which are the following. You can give the answer in the comment box and also ask any queries or doubts relating to this question and also this topic. Okay, and then the homework question, which are the following memories needs refresh to store information. So in last class we deal with the computer memory and also we discuss various memories, RAM, ROM, etc. And under the RAM there comes two important classification, SRAM and DRAM, and we say that SRAM is more powerful than DRAM and also it's very much expensive. But in DRAM you can see it's low expensive but processing speed is very much low, but it used to refresh, but it needs refresh into store information. Okay, so whenever you store information in DRAM, it will need refreshing. Clear? So DRAM is the answer. Dynamic RAM is the answer for this question. Okay, so that's for the day. You can ask any question related to this topic, and we will meet with another important video. Until then, thank you.